right, go Pack Go. This is the video to find the winner of my pick one. This was the Woodson Mini and Keith Jackson and what were the other two things I forgot? Oh, Geronimo and Aaron Jones. So we will check the time, January 16th at 2:19 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. There we go. January 16th at 2:19 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Andrea. Spot 5 is your winner. So, Andrea, please PM me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 16th, 2:19 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.